Sorry guys, there was some connection error from my side. Let me connect to Khushbu again. Let me try and connect with her. Yeah, Khushbu, actually वो कुछ connection error था. अभी I've just joined again. Yeah, sorry. Thank you. Yeah, so Khushbu is here.
Hi Smriti, I'm back again.
Hi. Sorry, Khushbu, there was some connection error happened, so I just connected with some other device. I don't know how it happened, but
Yeah, it
now it's fine.
happens. It happens. It always happens in live session. It always happens. Some network
Yeah,
issue
I thought
always
now
there.
what has happened? Like the video is gone. Like so, I was like, okay, fine. I'll connect with some other device, and now I guess it's fine. And
Yeah, it's
yeah, I
fine.
guess everybody can listen or watch the video. Please give your comments so that we continue.
Hi everyone. Can you hear us and can you see us properly?
Yeah. Hi Deepak. Hi Elliot. Can you all hear us? Yes. Yes. So thank you, Elliot. Thank you. Thank you. So let us wait for some more people to join in.
Yeah. So how are you doing, Smriti, these days?
Um, Actually, I'm going to my sites. I've started working, so the days are good. The weekends are really better because going outside is not that easy nowadays. You have to wear
I
your
can
shield, you
understand.
have to wear your mask, and like it's very difficult
And
for
feel
us
like
right now.
I feel like that
It's
you are in some other planet. I feel like
yeah,
alien.
actually, and it's better to stay home rather than going out. But
True.
then, if in unavoidable cases we have to go out,
True, true, right. I agree because unnecessary problem क्यों सर पे लेना ना? Just stay home
बिल्कुल
and be
बिल्कुल
safe because you are the responsible for your entire family.
बिल्कुल इसमें ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा है ना कि दैट ओनली यू आर द सफरर बेसिकली वी
Entire
कैन
family
बी अ
is being
कैरियर फॉर अदर्स एज वेल
yeah, true. And it's not about again, no, people are recovering from this pandemic, but that suffering which which is happening in entire journey of this disease is very terrible. So please be safe and don't वो सोचना भी नहीं कि ठीक तो हो ही जाते हैं ना, बट वो ठीक होने के लिए पहले वहां पहुंचना और वहां पे सही तरीके से सारी चीजें मिलना इज terrible. So stay
राइट
safe, stay
परफेक्टली राइट
home and take the all precautions you can take.
बिल्कुल so Khushbu, let us start with the session and my first question to you would be how did your journey started. How did you think of having so much of plants with you, so much of greens with you? How did this love evolve in you?
So Sumati, actually, I have been, I have born and brought up in a family, like in a joint family, know. And my daddy had a biggest garden in entire area of kitchen greens and fruits she used to grow. And मैंने अपना summer vacation वहीं बिताया है. Summers में I used to stay in that garden in entire, for entire day because वहाँ पे दादी हमारे लिए झूला लगा दिया करती थी and we used to sit in that झूला swing and we used to have our own grown fruits and veggies and it was like bliss for me. I really miss those days, but in growing process we got involved in studies and jobs and life like I was very busy and that kida of gardening was always there. So अब होता है कि whenever you know love something, somehow you get it, and your environment always try to help you and guiding you in that path. It happened with me, right? So finally I got the chance to stay in ground floor, and I have ample of space to keep many plants. So ये 4 साल की जर्नी मेरे लिए बूस्ट रही गार्डनिंग के लिए. सो फ्रॉम लास्ट 4.5 year I am totally into gardening with my job, with my family, with my bacha. I'm just super active. So like it's like food soul, na food soul for me. It's like अगर मैंने नहीं किया तो I cannot survive. जैसे कुछ लोगों के लिए होता है कि सुबह की चाय नहीं पी तो they will feel headache. So it's like मैंने सुबह जाके अपने plants को check नहीं किया तो I will feel headache. So it's like that.
Great.
So and how I'm managing it. So it's like no blessing for me having such wonderful family. Seriously, my daughter and my husband, they both are very supportive. No, they also enjoy us having breakfast in my balcony. In our balcony, yeah, in the morning whenever weather is really good, they love to have breakfast in the balcony also. And she enjoys doing painting and drawing in the balcony. So they know it very. उनको पता है कि मम्मा को ये टाइम अपने प्लान्स के लिए चाहिए चाहिए, तो they will not disturb me at all. बोले कि go and do whatever, because पता है कि मम्मा को चैन नहीं आने वाला जब तक ये काम हो नहीं जाएगा.
I
तो
know I've seen a lot of videos of your daughter as well,
yeah,
doing a lot of plant gardening and all with you.
she understands. एक बार उसने मुझसे बड़ा ही क्वेश्चन इमोशनल पूछा था, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है, मैंने उसको बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया, एंड शी इज नाउ परफेक्टली फाइन. व्हाट हैपेंड ना, आप बहुत केयर, आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट माई प्लांट केयर एक्चुअली ना. एक एक प्लांट को चेक करना एंड उसके लीव्स को चेक करना, then I feel no satisfaction कि I have done my job properly. So she was asking me, मम्मा आप है ना अपने प्लांट का इतना ज्यादा ध्यान देते हो, आप मुझ पे इतना ध्यान नहीं देते हो. Like what? Right? Kids generally do that.
I
So
know.
yeah, I told her that baby, you can speak and you can tell me that you are sick, or you are hungry, or you are not feeling good, or you are sad. You can tell me. But
Right.
if when my plant is sick, not healthy, and is hungry, he cannot ask. So I had to check whether it's perfectly fine or not. And then she understood. Yes, Mama, you are right. So now she is like always, checking my plant. So this is how I'm able to handle my both life, like my working place, my family, and my garden. And or I have never counted my plants actually. How do I know that I have 300 something plant? Because of my daughter only.
Oh,
She does that. She does that.
great.
Uh, yeah, she does that
So
for
at
me.
least we
Mama,
have we have we have a number because of her, thanks to her.
yeah. I never counted my plant. I don't have time to count them. And I feel little, कि count नहीं करना है. And she does, Mama, 1, 2, 3. अभी कोई अगर प्लांट डाई हो गया तो मम्मा अब इतना हो गया, अब ज्यादा ले आए तो इतना हो गया. तो शी कीप्स ऑन चेकिंग कि कितने प्लांट्स है मेरे पास.
So great, her calculative skills will enhance because of the plants as well. So that is the additional value of your plants.
Yeah, true. Correct.
So tell us, Khushbu, regarding this, like if somebody wants to have a home garden, so how to start with a home garden?
Sumati, for beginners, I would suggest they should start from the easy plants, right? तो इजी प्लांट्स, व्हेन यू ग्रो सम इजी प्लांट्स, तो वो बहुत अच्छे से कम कम केयर के साथ बहुत जल्दी ग्रो करते हैं, एंड दैट विल गिव यू encouragement also, so you will be able to bring more plants. Otherwise you will end up giving up gardening. It happens like that. So I would always suggest just go with very low maintenance plant. Start with from 5 plants only. Don't get so many plants and kill them all and then feel disheartened. Oh my god, I have killed all. No, don't do that. Just
Yeah.
get 5 good plants. Those are very easy to maintain, and just grow them. If they are like perfectly fine, just see the journey, read the journey, how you have grown with it. Now you will be able to understand the nature of your plant. So then you can bring more plants.
So you
So this,
have to name those 5 plants as well.
yeah. So I will tell you, 5 easy plants to grow. Like first of
So
all,
guys,
my favorite.
get a notebook first, and I'm telling guys, get a notebook and just jot down the names as well.
Yeah, please, please. So for me, I call this plant best friend, ZZ plant. I would like to show this plant to
Oh
you.
wow! So Kushbu is
This
showing
is,
us as well. So this
yeah,
is the
I have
snake plant.
painted this actually.
Oh,
This is a
very nice.
clay pot basically. So I call this plant my best friend. It's इसकी जो सारी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है वो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड की जैसे ही है. So this plant can survive without water 1 month.
One
If you
month.
yeah.
Okay,
So
great.
if you travel a lot and still you want to keep your home's corner green, you really
Yeah.
want to keep, so this is the perfect plant for your home actually. So
Okay.
it's, yeah,
And
if
like
you are out,
how it's
because
ZZ,
no,
Priyanka, it's
ZZ,
ZZ plant.
Xanthopus, ZZ plant, yeah,
Yeah,
ZZ plant. So
yeah.
ये जो प्लांट है इतना अमेजिंग है सुमति, आई कांट टेल यू. इसकी foliage इतनी ब्यूटीफुल है. यू कैन कीप इट ऑन द टेबल टॉप, यू कैन कीप इट ऑन योर ऑफिस का क्यूबिकल है वहां के टेबल पे रख सकते हो. यू कैन कीप इट ऑन, यू कैन डेकोरेट एनी कॉर्नर ऑफ योर होम विद दिस प्लांट. It looks amazing and you don't need to water it regularly. I water it in 15 days only, and that too half cup or 1 glass, depend on the size of the plant. It depends on the size of the plant
Right.
in the pot, right? So this is the perfect plant for the lazy people जो भूल जाते हैं प्लांट्स में पानी डालना. लिटरली मतलब इसकी स्टोरी ऐसी है कि मेरे ऑफिस में जब लॉकडाउन होने वाला था हुआ था तो उसके पहले एक जीजी मेरा ऑफिस में ही रह गया था.
Oh,
And because of lockdown, I was not able to pick that back. Right? ZZ and snake plant dono. I will tell you about the snake plant also. And it survived. It was green. It was perfectly fine and was shooting some new growth also. So this
cool.
is the perfect plant for a beginner, I would suggest. Next is snake plant.
Okay.
This one.
I guess I also have one at my back. Snake
Yeah,
plant.
it has many species, many different colors, many different shapes, so many, shapes, colors. This is the dwarf version. This is the dwarf version and very exotic. This one is the exotic snake plant, and it is again just like ZZ plant. You don't need to water it, every day. You have to water in summer. You have to water it in like 4 5 days. In winters, भूल जाओ पानी डालना इसको. Just water
Yeah.
it in month or 20 days. Just forget them. Still, they
Wow.
will grow. Yeah, they are perfectly fine, and they can grow in any kind of soil composition. You don't need to
Great.
get special kind of soil mix for them. You can grow them in garden soil also. So it is perfectly for the beginner. It's a perfect plant for beginner. So second is this, and then third one is pothos. जिसको generally
Pothos.
money
Okay.
plant लोग बोलते हैं. मनी प्लांट भी बहुत ही इजी ग्रोइंग प्लांट है दैट कैन ग्रो इन एनी लाइट कंडीशन. ब्राइट लाइट टू लो लाइट कंडीशन इट कैन ग्रो. एंड foliage बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल होता है इसका. एंड यू कैन डेकोरेट इट, यू कैन यूज इट एज अ डेकोरेशन इन योर होम. जस्ट लाइक मेरा घर का अगर इफ यू सी एनी कॉर्नर यू विल, आई हैव डेकोरेटेड with plants only. So I just love, मुझे लगता है कि मैं किसी दिन सारे इंटीरियर हटा के सब जगह प्लांट्स ही होने वाले हैं कुछ दिनों में. So I decorate my home with plants only. So it looks very beautiful. I will show, and you can make no many plants from one plant, right? Just
Yeah.
buy a basket, buy a money plant, and you can put chota chota cutting in every single plant bottle. You can keep it in your washroom. You can keep
So
it in your kitchen. So it is a very easy maintenance plant, and it grows like anything. So
So
you can
that was
see
my
it
next question for you as well. That you just mentioned that you can just have your leaf and put it in a bottle. So is it possible with all these three plants which you have just mentioned, or
No,
is there a
actually, see, no, it's not easy with them. Actually, snake plant का propagation, I would suggest कि मैं जैसा what I do with snake plant, I propagate them with the dividation. Like एक plant में 2 plant हो गए, तो I will divide them and put them in different pots. Yeah, people are there. Those are growing from the leaves. the snake plant, I have never done that, and I never encourage, because it is a very slow no, very slow process to पहले वो roots आने में बहुत time लगता है, then वो सारी चीजों में बहुत time लगता है. And जामिया को आप leaf से grow कर सकते हो. You can check out my video. आज ही मैंने डाला है कि मैंने
Okay,
easy जो है leaf से ही propagate किया है, तो you can check
great.
out my video. So
Sure,
you
sure. We'll definitely gonna
you will
check
be
this.
able to know how I have propagated from the leaves. So from
Yeah,
4 leaves, I'm going to have 4 new plants.
I've seen a lot of video of yours as well. You've done lotus as well. You were doing a session
And
with
it
somebody
has
for
bloomed
lotus.
today.
Sorry.
It's blooming today. I will share picture.
Oh, great,
It's blooming,
great.
yeah.
So that would be cool to grow a lotus by your own, and it's amazing. So we are done with like 3 plants. So tell us 2 more. We need 5.
Yeah. And you can grow syngonium. Syngonium is very,
Okay,
हाँ, सिंगोनियम का एक्चुअली मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा प्लांट है, तो मैं उसको अंदर नहीं
okay,
ला सकती थी. वो एक्चुअली
okay,
वो पूरा ट्रेलिंग पे चल रहा है, तो इट्स वेरी बिग, सो आई वाज नॉट एबल टू ब्रिंग दैट इनसाइड. But syngonium is very easy and very budgeted plant, very cheap. You can get it in like 50 rupees. Yeah, and it grows like anything. और वही है कि
okay,
पानी उसमें तभी डालना है जब उसका पूरा मिट्टी first 2 inches is dry. Check with, no, put your finger inside the soil and check. Then first 2 inches is dry, then water it, and it can
okay,
grow in bright light condition or low light condition both. So syngonium is for, no, and third is rubber plant. Oh, sorry, fifth is rubber plant.
okay. So
Yeah,
that's
it's
very
again,
easy to grow.
yeah, rubber plant is very hardy plant, and foliage, it looks ornamental. It looks very beautiful. It can be, no, and they have, they comes in so many versions, so many colors, like dark, black, or variegated one, and pink and green foliage वाला. तो उसमें बहुत सारे options हैं, and you can grow it anywhere, bright light to low light condition. They will grow, and they will look very beautiful, and you don't need to water them regularly. You have to water it in 4-5 days in summers.
So great. We have all 5 names. So one is ZZ plant, one is snake plant, one is rubber plant,
Money
then
plant,
your
pothos,
pothos, and
or
then
syngonium,
synchronium. Right.
and then
So we
rubber
have all
plant.
those five plants, and I'm gonna buy them today itself.
Yeah, sure,
So
sure.
that I'm done. So now tell me about bonsai. First of all, I would love to ask you, like, exactly bonsai is from India, or is it a
No,
foreign plant?
no. Actually, bonsai is not at all from India. ये तो बहुत late आया इंडिया में. Actually, bonsai tradition start हुआ चाइना से, और चाइना में भी एक जगह है पेंजाई, जहां से बेसिकली वो शुरू हुआ था, क्योंकि
Okay.
लोगों को शौक था कि छोटे छोटे ट्रीज, क्योंकि बहुत जगह से स्पेस नहीं है, तो उन्होंने सोचा कि छोटे ट्रीज को छोटे कम जगह में वो ट्रीज ग्रो करें. तो that's the way they have started. So it has started from Penzai, from China only, then travel to Japan, then Korea, then travel to around the world. So it happens like that. So it came to India very late, बहुत टाइम बाद आया है.
So as we are promoting local, buy from India, make in India. So tell me something. Like, is there any Indian version for bonsai?
Adenium.
Okay. So you
Adenium
have
looks
that at your
amazing.
place?
Yeah, I have in other balcony.
Okay. So
Yeah,
we'll ask you for a tour for that.
yeah, I'll show you around, and it's very messy right now because आज ही मेरे balcony में थोड़ा construction work हुआ है.
No
कुछ
issues.
problem
No
हुआ है,
issues.
तो
No issues.
इसलिए.
We'll follow your handle and see what
Yeah,
all
so
you have.
adenium is, you're not, it's itself a bonsai plant. इसको बनाना नहीं
Okay.
पड़ता है. Bonsai itself a bonsai plant. It looks so beautiful, and it has beautiful flowers also, and it comes
Okay.
in n number of colors, and double petal, single petal, fragrance, and you can grow from the seeds. It looks so beautiful. I love the trunk they have. The tree trunk is very
Yeah.
beautiful. So you can
No. they are
Sedanium.
they are like same priced, like they are priced same as compared to bonsai, or they are a bit
No, no,
cheaper than
no,
that?
no. No, bonsais are expensive than the adenium. Adenium is, you can get adenium in 200 or 230 and 230, 350 or 400, depends on the size, on how old it is. जितना पुराना बॉन्साई होता है उतना ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होता है, बिकॉज वो उसकी ट्रंक उतनी ब्यूटीफुल होती है और प्लांट उतना ज्यादा ग्रो कर चुका होता है, तो जितना ज्यादा पुराना अडेनियम है उतना ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल होगा और उतना ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होगा. But
Okay.
again, it is cheaper than the bonsai, actual bonsai plants. Bonsai plants are very expensive. And actually, I never propagate bonsai plants. I don't like bonsai technique. So I never buy any bonsai, and I never, appreciate bonsai plants. Because I don't want to hurt plants too much, cutting them all the time, not let them grow. I don't like that. So
Yeah,
one of
very
my
true.
friend gifted me a bonsai plant, bonsai ficus bonsai, on
Yeah.
Friendship Day. It's been like 5 years. It's with me. Now it's not. It's not at all bonsai anymore. It has grown like a tree. It's a big plant now. So because मैंने उसको cut नहीं किया, मैंने उसको grow करने दिया the way it was. So I just wanted to let it grow. So it's with me from last five years.
Oh, great. And tell me something. I would love to know about the air purifier plants. Actually, we are living in a world which is full of pollution. Although it was not there during the lockdown, but now
Just
I guess it's there. So people are suggesting to go in for air purifier plants inside